So hi everyone, welcome to this video, and here is the tutorial how to do the decimal games. Okay, now first click on the new assignment in your Google Classroom and then click the decimal games. And here we have the decimal games and the due date is tomorrow. And then please read the instruction over there. And here what you have to do is first watch the video below to make sure you understand about what to do. It's this video tutorial, and then second, open the Google Slides and then do the games. The games are attached in the Google Slides, and then you have to upload your answer. There will be 3 answer files that you have to upload. First, matching pair. Second, additions, and the third one is subtraction. You can use one paper to write down the answer for the addition and the subtraction. And then click on the Google Slides and you will have a new tab about the Google Slide. And then here the first one is like a welcoming from the teacher, and then second one, fill your presents list by clicking it. So you have to fill the presents list because that is important. Just click and then go to the link over there, and then please write down your name over here. Sorry, for example, Miss Ayulita. Oops. And then what grade are you, and then how do you feel today? You happy, flat, or not really, and then sad, and then you have to submit. Click the submit, and then this one will be recorded as your presents list. If you do not submit it, it will not record as come to my class. Then go back to the Google Slide, and then here decimal games, you are allowed to choose between material or games. So if you want to know the material, you can click here, and then here is it. Before you start, let's memorize about decimal that you have learned in primary. You have learned about how to convert and then how to adding and subtracting decimals. You can click this one and then go to the link. Okay, here is two videos. I attached 2 videos. You can watch the video over here. And then there will be 2 kind of converting, and you can have this one, how to convert on in first side. It's meant from decimal to fraction, and then the first one is fraction to decimal. And then you can go to the next one to learn about how to adding and subtracting decimal. You can watch over here. And then if you think you can do that, you have to go back here and then click the games, go to the games, and yeah, you have to choose which one do you want to do, converting, adding, or subtracting. Okay, so here is supposed to be subtracting, and then you can click on the converting and then click on that. Matching fraction and decimal, that is the game. And then please click the convert link here and play the games. And here, don't forget to screenshot and upload your work. It will be looks like this, and then you have to go click on the book widget tab, and you have to match the fraction with the decimals. For example, you can match this one with this one. If the color is not changed, it means your answer is not correct. So you have to find out the other one. Okay, so that's not correct. And then, for example, click this one and then find out, yep, it's correct. The color changed. It means it's correct. And then you have to do all, and don't forget to screenshot, because you have to upload it to the Google Classroom. And then go back to the Google Slides and go to the next page. You have to add the decimal. Please click the addition link here, and here the instruction is write down the operation on your notebook. The operation will appear in your desktop or in your screen, and then hit the spin button to change the numbers or to do the next questions. You have to do 5 questions only, and then you have to click here, and yep, you will go to this one. So you have to add this decimal with these numbers, okay? And then please don't forget to write down in your notebooks and then answer it. After you answer it, then you have to do the other questions. Click spin here, and then it will change, and you have to do the same. You write down on your notebook and then answer it, and then do spin again until you do 5 questions. And I'm sure you and your friends will get a different questions. It's okay. And yeah, after that, please upload your answer. Okay, so after you do 5 questions, you can end and then go to the next questions. It's about subtracting decimal. This is the same. You have to write down, and then the operation will be minus, and you have to do 5 questions the same, and then you have to click this link. Go to the link, and yeah, you have to write down the questions and then do it and find out the answer. After you do 1 question, go to spin it, and yeah, you have to do that 5 times. After that, you can go to the next page, and yeah, congratulations, you have completed the games. And that's all for the tutorial video. I hope you can do it well. Please watch the video if you think it's hard for you to understand. And if you have any questions, you can go to my Zoom meeting. Goodbye.